สวัสดีค่ะ Hi, my name is ประทับใจดวงภัตรา or call me Apple. I am a president of Bodhi Panya Institute and I am here today with my team Ava and Patrick.
Hi there, my name is Patrick. I'm one of the instructors at BPI.
Hi, my name is Ava, a Ken, and I am a school administrator.
At BPI, we offer 500-hour California massage therapy program that emphasizes on Thai massage.
First, we cover 200 hours on Thai massage, which includes Thai herbal, Thai foot reflexology, Thai aroma, and of course, the traditional style Thai massage. Next, 100 hours on Western modality, deep tissue bodywork, Swedish massage. Lastly, 119 lecture course hours, such as anatomy, physiology, pathology, business and ethics, and real-world training student clinic.
At BPI, we train people, giving them practical skills that they can use to build a full-time and part-time career. So use this time to learn new skills to become a massage therapist. Start online classes now. Offer full-time and part-time flexible schedule. For more information, please visit our website or call 415-994-5232 and call us in Texas. We'll be happy to answer.
Yes. Welcome everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you.